Let's talk about garment washes. Garment washes are when they take t-shirts that are already sewn together and wash them to create sort of vintage or distressed effects. And one of the best examples of this is with denim jeans. And if you think about a stone wash, it's taking color out of the denim. So if you're getting a wash applied to your t-shirts, normally what will happen is your screen printer will contract out with a place called a wash house. Let me show you a few examples here and you'll get a better idea of what you can do with washes. So the first wash we have here is a burnout wash, and this is a very standard wash. It was very popular a few years ago. And what happens with a burnout wash is you take a poly cotton tee that's a mix of polyester and cotton, and the wash will eat away some of the cotton, leaving only the polyester fibers. So you get this really textured look. Depending on the color of the shirt and the ratio of polyester to cotton, you'll get different looks. Here's a burnout wash on a black shirt, and this is a lighter burnout wash on a blue shirt. The next garment wash is an enzyme wash, and this just applies a nice vintage sort of garage look to your t-shirt. The next wash is a mineral wash. This is a very common wash also, and it gives you this kind of look. And this is a light mineral wash, so the effect isn't quite as obvious. Here's another mineral wash done on a very saturated color shirt. So you get more of a contrasty look with this mineral wash. The next wash is called an oil wash, and here's what an oil wash looks like. And here's what's called a bleach wash. This is a more extreme wash where you're taking more color out of the fabric. And here's how the same wash looks on a black shirt. And I found this wash, it's called a paint wash. And it looks to me like they may be adding color, so it may be a dye wash combination.